Hello, fellow food lovers. Today I will be making Chinese Bok Choy Stir Fry with garlic sauce. This is a vegan dish. You will need 1 pound of large bok choy, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of vegetarian oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So this is the big bok choy, as opposed to baby bok choy, which are really small. So for this stir fry dish, you can use the big one. And we're going to use about a pound of stems. So this is probably a 2-pound vegetable. So we're probably going to use half of it about. As you can see, the base of the stems are kind of dirty, so you're going to have to wash the vegetable before you use it. So yeah, so right at the base, there's some dirt, so you're going to wash that. So this is a really simple and quick vegetable side dish that would go well with a family style meal with, other dishes like meat and fish and chicken, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the ends of the bok choy just to make it even. It's kind of for visual appeal, basically. And I like to cut it at the diagonal. And so the base, where the white part is, I like that to be kind of diagonal. And then where the leaves are, I like it to be kind of bigger chunks. So where the leaves are, I like it bigger chunks. Okay, so I got about 4 pieces of garlic. It'll be about 2 tablespoons worth. I'm gonna smash the garlic with the side of the knife, and then I'm gonna mince it. So the primary flavor of the sauce for this vegetable dish is garlic. It's a vegan dish, so we'll be using vegetarian oyster sauce and soy sauce and sesame oil and sugar. Okay, so let's get cooking. So I got a wok on high heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And give that a stir. So we'll probably fry the garlic for maybe 30-40 seconds. So you don't want to burn the garlic. It could burn quite easily in oil. But when it starts to turn a little on the golden side, then you can add the bok choy. So when you add the bok choy, you want to cook for a few minutes. Then you want to lift it up so that the bottom part comes up and the top part goes down to the bottom. So this looks like a lot of bok choy. It's kind of sticking out of the wok, but after a few minutes, it's going to shrink. Okay, a couple minutes have gone by. You can tell it's shrunk a little bit. And keep on stirring it, bringing the bottom up to the top and bringing the top down to the bottom. Okay, so we're going to add a cup of water to the bok choy. We're going to make the sauce now. I'm going to kind of finish this up. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the vegetarian oyster sauce, which of course doesn't have any oysters in it. It tastes like oyster sauce, but it's made from mushroom extracts. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. One teaspoon of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, so we're going to stir it around, make sure the sauce is mixed in with the water. And then we're going to put a lid over the wok so it'll steam for a few minutes. While it's steaming, we're going to make the cornstarch slurry. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and put it into a bowl. Yeah, cornstarch. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water to that. And give that a stir. Make sure the cornstarch is mixed in with the water. So we only had to have the lid on there for maybe 2-3 minutes. The veggies are pretty much cooked anyways. We're just doing a quick steam just to finish it off. Okay, we're going to add the cornstarch slurry in with the bok choy. You want to stir it, make sure that the sauce is well mixed in with the cornstarch slurry. Okay, I'm going to dish it up now. So this is a very good side dish to have with a family meal. Okay, there you have it. That's Chinese Bok Choy Stir Fry with garlic sauce. A really good side dish to have with a family meal. Bok choy is one of the major vegetables in Chinese cuisine. It's used quite a lot, either by itself or it could be part of a stir fry that goes on top of chow mein or chow fun. Or it can be cut up and put into a soup noodle dish as well. It's a very versatile dish, a very versatile vegetable for different dishes. Okay, bon appetit.